guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a Michaels and Target Dollar Spot haul for you. I found some really cute things on clearance at Michaels, as well as a hot buy, and then I found some really fun things in the Target Dollar Spot area. So to start off with the Michaels, I found 3 packs of these charms. They're normally $4.99 and they're on clearance for $1.47. So there's this one that is like a love theme, and it has follow your heart, bless your heart, so loved and thankful, with a heart and behind it. So I thought those were super cute. They'll be fun for making little charm dangles for my journals. There's this one that's has a little cupcake. It says just breathe, a coffee cup, and enjoy the little things. And then I found this one here. It says bloom where you're planted. There's a sun and a daisy and create your own sunshine. So I thought this would be great for spring and summer. And then I found 2 Sizzix framelits that have the stamps, and there's this one with the flamingo. And this one here that has a little otter, and it says you are my otter half and love you like no otter. And then it has just super cute little otter holding a heart, and then 2 otters that are forming a heart there. So I thought those were really cute to make cards. And then I picked up the Stay Magical hot buy, and I picked it up when they were $5 a piece. So I just thought that was super pretty. I'm going to be doing mermaid and maybe unicorn and flamingo as well, so I'll be using this for that. And then at the Target Dollar Spot I found these note cards. It says you are mermazing. It has really cute envelopes too, but I'll be using this in a junk journal. And then here's a list pad that has mermaids. I thought those were really cute. And then going with the flamingo theme, there was some flamingo paper straws that are really pretty. They have a gold foiling on them. And then a set of note cards with the flamingo and watermelons, ice cream and bananas, and I just thought it was really cute. And there's the envelope. I think there's another card actually in here. Let me look. 2 prints. So it's just more of a plain pattern. Oh, it's the other side. So that's one side looks like that. And I'm curious to see what the other side to the other pack is. Okay, so it's like that. So I thought those were really pretty. And then I found 3 single cards that I will probably be using to make covers for junk journals. I found this one that says hello little one, so I thought that was really pretty to do for a baby junk journal. I found 2 of those, and then I also found this one for a wedding, and I only found 1 of these, so I just thought that was super pretty, and the envelope is beautiful as well to go in a junk journal. So those were $1, and everything that I found at the Dollar Spot was $1. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.